And now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now let's look at the same waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, make preparation movement, and we start with natural spin turn with pivot ending on 6th step. Then we continue with a running spin turn, which is first 3 steps of natural turn, then pivot and then open natural turn. Then we dance outside change to promenade position, and from here we dance big top, but last step we dance without pivot. And we continue with a running finish, and then outside partner into a running feather. Very good. Now let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, preparation, and then we start to move diagonally to wall with natural spin turn first part. Then we move down line of dance in second bar. Now diagonally to wall in new line of dance with running spin turn, then around the corner, and we finish ready to move diagonally to center with outside change to promenade position. In same direction we move big top without pivot. Then we continue moving diagonally to wall with running finish, and now diagonally to wall with running feather. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.